Assalamu alaikum students. Today in this video inshallah we will study the trap without wasting any further time. I will go through the study the trap. First learn words to know honest. These are new words for you. Honest, good, not false, no telling lies. Immediately, straight away, at once. Jackal, a wild animal like a dog. Matter, problem, replied, answered, rubbish, useless, unwanted things. Let's start the reading first with the expression. Please note down my expression. When you will read, your expression will be the same and it will be far more better telling the real meanings. Once upon a time, a tiger was caught in a trap. Once upon a time, a tiger was caught in a trap. He tried and tried to get out, but the trap was very strong and he could not get through the bars. Just then, a boy came walking by. The tiger cried out, "Let me out, my friend. Please let me out of this awful trap." "No," said the boy, "you will eat me up." "No, no," said the tiger, "I shall be your friend and servant." Then he cried and cried until at last the boy opened the door. The tiger immediately caught hold of him. "You fool," roared the tiger, "now I shall eat you up." At this page number 12, and the story is started. In the starting of the story, the writer says that there was once upon a time there was a tiger who was caught in trap. He tried his best to come out of the trap, but all in vain. When he failed completely to come out of the trap, he asked help from a boy and he said, "Please, my friend, I will be your slave and I will be also your friend too, and I will help you a lot. Please let me get rid from this, let me out from this awful trap." The boy said, "No, no, no, you will eat me up." He said, "No, I will be your servant." And at last he cried and cried. At last boy opened the door and tiger immediately caught hold of him, and he said to the boy that, "You are the fool." He roared, "Now I shall eat you up." The boy started to cry and the tiger said, "All right, perhaps I will let you go. Ask for help from three things you see. If they agree to help you, I shall let you go." First, now the tiger used to say that, "Okay, I will let you go, but ask the help of the three things. If they will agree, I will let you go." First, boy asked a great tree in the forest for help, but the tree laughed. "Why should I help you?" said the tree. "You are lucky. People take my fruits and cut my branches. Nobody helps me. Go away." First of all, the boy asked the help from a large tree, but tree didn't help him and said that, "You people are cutting my branches and harming me, so I will not help you." The next boy saw a bullock working in a field. He asked bullock for help. "You are lucky," said the bullock. "I worked hard all the day and get little to eat. Nobody helps me. Go away." Finally, the boy said to the road, "Oh road, please ask the tiger to set me free." "Never," said the road. "You are lucky. Look at me. People walk and ride all over me. They throw rubbish on me. Nobody helps me. Go back to tiger." The boy was sad. Till here, you might be understanding. Actually, firstly the boy asked help from a tree, but the tree refused. Next, he asked help from bullock, but he also refused by saying that, "You are lucky." I work hard day and get a little eat to eat, day and night, but I get little to eat. Nobody helps me. Go, I will not help you. Finally, the boy goes to the road and also asks help to set him free. But road replied, never, kabhi nahi, I will not. You are lucky, look at me. People walk and ride all over me. कहती है कि रोड टेल्स के लोग सारा दिन मेरे ऊपर चलते भागते दौड़ते सब कुछ करते हैं. दे थ्रो रबिश ऑन मी, नोबडी हेल्प्स मी. गो बैक टू द टाइगर. What's matter, boy? asked the jackal. The boy told him about the tiger. The jackal felt sad. I will help you, he said, and went with the boy to the tiger. Jackal ने कहा, okay, मैं आपकी हेल्प करूँगा. How did you get into the trap in the beginning? He asked the tiger. The jackal, now making a trick, asked the tiger, how did you get into trap in the beginning? Like this, replied the tiger. But how? Show me, said the jackal. The tiger walked back into the trap, and at once the jackal shut the door. Now stay there, said clever jackal, and he and the boy went away. So the jackal cleverly asked a question that how. The the tiger pointed that like this. He said, show me, how did you enter in the trap first? When he showed his demo to show himself to enter in the trap, the jackal suddenly shut the door, and now he said that stay away there. Boy and the jackal, the clever jackal, went away on the road. This is the small story, beautiful. This is about a trap. If in our language I'm going to tell you, this is the story, but your accent, your word, your expression must not be changing while reading. एक दफ़ा का जिक्र है कि एक टाइगर एक ट्रैप में फंस गया. उसने बहुत कोशिश की कि वो बाहर आए, लेकिन ट्रैप बहुत ज़्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग था और वो बाहर नहीं आ सकता था बार्स के अंदर से. जस्ट दैन उसी वक्त बॉयज़ केम वॉकिंग बाय. एक लड़का आया. टाइगर चीखा कि प्लीज़ मुझे बाहर निकालो मेरे दोस्त, प्लीज़ मुझे बाहर निकालो इस ऑफुल ट्रैप से, इस दर्दनाक ट्रैप से. नहीं, तुम मुझे खा लोगे. नहीं नहीं, मैं तुम्हें कभी नहीं खाऊंगा, मैं तुम्हारा फ्रेंड और सर्वेंट बन जाऊंगा. देन ही क्राइड. तब वो चिल्लाया या आखिरकार लड़के ने दरवाज़ा खोल दिया. द टाइगर इमीडिएटली कॉट होल्ड हिम ऑफ हिम. लड़का जल्दी से टाइगर ने जल्दी से लड़के के ऊपर होल्ड कर लिया और उसका कहा कि बेवकूफ़, चिल्ला और रोर गरजा कि बेवकूफ़, अब मैं तुम्हें खा लूँगा. The boy started to cry and tiger said, all right, perhaps I will let you go. Ask for help for three things you see. कि 3 चीज़ों से अपनी हेल्प मांग लो तो शायद मैं तुम्हें जाने दूँ, अगर वो तुम्हारी हेल्प करने के लिए मान ले. ठीक है. फर्स्ट, लड़के ने एक दरख्त से हेल्प मांगी, लेकिन दरख्त हंसने लगा. मैं तुम्हारी हेल्प क्यों करूं? यू आर लकी, तुम बहुत ही खुशकिस्मत हो. लोग मेरा फ्रूट खा लेते हैं, मेरी शाखें काट लेते हैं, कोई भी मेरी हेल्प नहीं करता. जाओ. इसके बाद लड़के ने बुलॉक से हेल्प मांगी, जो कि फील्ड में काम करता था. तुम बहुत ही खुशकिस्मत हो, बुलॉक ने कहा. मैं पूरा दिन काम करता हूँ और थोड़ा सा खाना मिलता है. जाओ, कोई भी मेरी भी हेल्प नहीं करता. फाइनली लड़के ने तीसरी हेल्प जो है वो सर द रोड से मांगी, और रोड ने कहा कि कभी नहीं, नेवर, कभी नहीं, तुम खुशकिस्मत हो. मेरी तरफ देखो, लोग मेरे ऊपर चलते हैं, सवारियाँ करते हैं, लेकिन रबिश फेंकते हैं, कोई भी मेरी हेल्प नहीं करता. जाओ टाइगर के पास. The boy was sad. लड़का बहुत sad था, but he was also honest. He walked back to tiger. On the way, he met a jackal. रास्ते में वो jackal से मिला. What's matter, the boy asked the jackal. The boy told him about the tiger. लड़के ने टाइगर के बारे में बताया. jackal ने कहा कि ओके, उसके बारे में सैड हुआ और उसने कहा मैं आपकी हेल्प करूँगा. वो उसके पास गया और कहा कि स्टार्ट में आप कैसे ट्रैप में फंस गए थे. शेर ने इशारा किया कि जी ऐसे ऐसे. उसने कहा बताइए, आप मुझे करके दिखाइए। वो शेर जल्दी से उसके अंदर गया और जैकल ने फ़ौरन दरवाज़ा बंद कर दिया। नाउ स्टे देयर सेड द क्लेवर जैकल एंड ही एंड द बॉय वेंट अवे। लड़का और वो आराम से चल पड़े। दिस इज़ द स्टोरी। सो यहाँ से हमें एक सबसे अच्छी चीज़ जो स्टोरी से हमें सीखने को मिली, दैट इज़ डोंट कट आउट द ट्रीज बिकॉज दे फील पेन। ओके, the second good thing, we should also be careful about the animal. We should also be careful about their diets. If you have some pets in at your house, you will have to be careful of their food and their work. Finally, third thing which we learned, we should not throw the rubbish on the roads because they makes the dirty. So this story is having some good morals also, as well as a funny character. Also, we should not cheat others. अगर टाइगर ने उसको कहा था he should not cheat other. Also we learn that nature can never be changed. कभी भी किसी जंगली दरिंदे की नेचर चेंज नहीं हो सकती. A lot of birds, the tree, the bullock, the road didn't help anybody. Why? The challenge. Okay. In the same way, you will have to discuss this chapter with me in the video lecture. Read the chapter with good accent. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz. In the next video, inshallah, I will show you the exercises solved.